What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Good morning from Accra, Ghana. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently we're sitting at 46,235. We're down about 0.33 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 873 billion. 24-hour volume, 28.88 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. A little bit of a symmetrical triangle going on here. We also have a double top pattern. As you can see, we created a top, we created a second top. So if this neckline were to be broken here, what you can do is measure from the neckline up to the top of your pattern and take it to your point of breakout, and could take you down here basically to about 44.8K, which lines up here with the 1.414 extension. Now, if we do find support and we bounce, that's when we can break out. We can squeeze within this symmetrical triangle. And if we do break out to the upside here, probably measure the body right around here. Take it to your point of breakout. Could take you right back up to about 48.3K. If it were to break down here, I think that's the less likely scenario. Could bring you down to about 43,000. So if we pop over to our next chart on the daily, we're just consolidating, which is perfectly healthy. We're allowing the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candle here. And we have a nice little, basically a bull pennant pattern. So if we were to break out to the upside, you can measure your flagpole, take it to your point of breakout, and that could take you all the way up to about 54K for BTC. So do watch that pattern as well. We are just consolidating. I do think we're going to hold above about 44K and bounce off the EMAs and see continuation. I have been talking about that ascending channel. So we may not see an explosive breakout. It may just be a bit of a slow climb while we remain up in this channel till we hit about 50.8K. It all really depends if we can come up and break out of this channel and see more of an explosive move for our friend BTC. The weekly time frame, we're still looking really good. We're holding above the EMAs, and of course we're still holding above our 50-week moving average as well as the 20-week moving average. So it's really bullish if we can continue to remain above these moving averages, as I've been mentioning, and see continuation to the upside. What we don't want to see is we start to break down and we lose all these moving averages once again. We fall back into our ascending triangle and we come all the way back down to about 40,000. I don't think it's the likely scenario, but of course anything is possible. Not a lot of movement here with our Bitcoin short positions. We haven't seen them start to increase just yet, and we're also not seeing a lot of movement in our long positions. So just a quick little update, just watch that potential double top pattern. If that neckline is broken, which is coming in about 45.8K, could bring us back down to about 44K once again. But it does look like we're squeezing. Let me quickly pop this open to the daily just so we have the 20 EMA. Yeah, so it does look like we're squeezing. We're waiting for some sort of breakout here. If I drop a trend line here, you can see it even better. You can see we're really squeezing within this pattern. So I do think a breakout is coming over the next few days. We just have to be a little bit patient. This red line here is the 200 EMA, and currently we're holding it as support. We're allowing the 20 to catch back up. So over the next few days, we'll see the bullish cross of the 20 over the 200. And hopefully what we see here is we hold the 20 EMA and we see that continuation. We come up, we break 48.3, and we can head up to about 50.8K. If we do lose those levels of support, just target 44.2. And then your next strong level, in my opinion, is down here at about 42.6K, which currently lines up pretty closely with the 55 EMA. That's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. Let me quickly open it up. We have over 1,800 members. We have the live trades on the channel if you want to trade with us. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, and over 1,800 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. You really can't beat it. Price for coffee, $3.50 USD. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.